Now, proportion of scheduled tribe to the total population. The code symbols of state are kept at the left side on the base image. Here, here. The code symbol of the UTs are kept at the right side on the base image. Here, this side. The code symbol of state having the highest value are kept on the left top side of the base image and the lowest value at the bottom left. Here and here. The codes symbols of the UTs having the highest value are kept on the right top side of the base image and the lowest value at the bottom right. Here and here. To remember the highest or the lowest among states and UTs, imagine a fight or relation between the codes of states and UTs, and whosoever survives or exists or wins in the base image represents the highest or the lowest value among states and UTs. The base image representing the rate, percentage, proportion. You will find a tree of fruits. This will help you to differentiate it from other facts. Here is the tree. There is no specific rule for movement of objects or codes on the base images. The stories are purely based on imagination and have no link to the real life. More the imaginary story, better the memory. 3 things must be kept in mind. Number 1, factor to memorize is represented by the base image. Number 2, state is represented at the left side and the UT at the right side of the base image. Number 3, highest value is kept at the top of the base image and the lowest at the bottom. Let us start learning the codes or the keywords for all states and union territories. Mizoram, RAM, computer RAM, Uttar Pradesh, up arrow, union territories, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Anda, that's egg, Lakshadweep, Dweep, lamp. This is the base image, the highest among states, Mizoram, code RAM, highest among UTs, Lakshadweep, code Dweep, lamp, the highest among both, Mizoram, code RAM, the lowest among states, Uttar Pradesh, code arrow, the lowest among UTs, Andaman and Nicobar, code egg, the lowest among both, Uttar Pradesh, the code arrow. This is the base image. The key to remember this image is that STs remain in the remote areas. Mostly they are staying in remote areas, beautiful areas. So these scheduled tribes would like to stay away from the mainland. So we can see very beautiful hut on the sea. And when we are talking about the percentage, the coding is a tree, fruit tree. Here we have taken the coconut tree. So this represents the proportion of the scheduled tribe population. Don't confuse it with the scheduled caste population, which was on the sea beach. So let's try to imagine here this tree have a ram rather than coconut. There are few more rams here. Don't confuse the ram with the earlier image in the scheduled caste population. The scheduled caste population, the ram was grown on the shrubs, but here rams are on the trees. And in scheduled caste population, it was on the lower side, but here it is grown on the upper side of the tree. And on the other hand, there is a dweep, there is a lamb. Why it is kept on the tree? Since they are living in the remote areas, there is no light in their house. They want to keep lamps on the top so that they have enough light in their house. So the dweep and the ram have a fight RAM pushes Dweep into the deep sea, so RAM is the winner. Here it shows that technology is winning over the traditional ways. Watch carefully. Here at the bottom comes the arrow for protecting STs, that is the student tribes. Eggs come out of the sea. Well, the eggs are grown for food. It goes towards the arrow, and you see arrow eats the egg. So here the lowest ST percentage is in Uttar Pradesh and the highest is in Mizoram. So let's get it straight. Don't confuse with the earlier stories. Here is the fourth one. In the first one we learned SC population, then proportion of SC population, then we learned ST population, and ultimately we came to the ST population in percentage. So let's have a quick recall. STs remain away from the main population, living in a very beautiful hut. The sea and the coconut tree produces RAM. There's a lamp just to have enough light. What the latest technology, RAM wins over the lamp, and the lamp go away. There are arrows, they are kept here so that hut is protected from outsiders. We keep the eggs here so that eggs are eaten by the arrows and have enough energy to protect the hut. Now let's solve a question. Here's a question on the highest proportion of ST population to the total population among UTs. The highest proportion is in UTs, that is UTs on the right side. At the higher, it means there was a lamp kept on the tree to have enough light, so the answer should be Lakshadweep.